Truck runs absolutely great. Woo-wee, you're spinning them. Truck is running good. We'll catch you guys back at the house.
What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to continue working on our Dodge Ram 2500. We finally got everything in for the interior so we could finally complete it. We went ahead and washed our carpet and our headliner, and this is like my favorite part because not only are you cleaning out your garage, but you're getting the truck back together. So hope you guys enjoy this episode, and let's get started. Alright, you guys, so we got our seats and carpet baking in the sun. They're almost dry and ready to be installed. But we are going to go ahead and get started on our sound deadening. This is the stuff we went with. It's about 45 square feet. So that should be plenty to do the interior of the cab. And we went ahead and installed all of our fender liners off camera. And we are temporarily using the old bumper for now. We're probably going to be building a custom one in the future. We also got our exhaust installed. That had holes in it and it was welded very poorly. So we went ahead and redid that and got it painted. It's looking brand new. But for now, we're going to go ahead and jump inside the interior and start throwing it together.
Let's get to it, man. I'm ready to get this truck complete.
Alright, you guys, so we got our sound deadening glued down. It doesn't look the best in here, but it's going to do the trick and make it a whole lot quieter in the cab. We kind of messed up because we didn't order the self-sticking stuff, so we had to work with what we got. We wanted to get it done, so we just used some of this 3M adhesive and glued it down. Everything is nice and tight. It's not going to go anywhere. So now we're pretty much ready to grab our carpet and then probably start on our seats, or do you think we should do the headliner?
I think the headliner would be easier without the seats.
Yeah, and then after we get the headliner in, we could pretty much call our windshield guy and get that installed and pretty much take it on our first test drive.
Man, I'm ready to take this sucker out on the road, man. See what it got.
Can't wait.
Let's do it, man. It's looking nice and clean in here, bro.
Oh yeah, but we do already have to vacuum it up because Bruno or something slept on it and got a bunch of grass on it.
Yeah, it's definitely Bruno.
That's something that he'll do. So let's keep moving and grab the headliner and get that installed. Definitely a lot easier without the seats.
Oh yeah, for sure.
See, because I could just hop right in here. Oh. Alright, you guys, so we kind of messed up and forgot about our roof lights or towing lights, whatever you want to call those. We got those on order, they just haven't showed up yet, so we can't really install this headliner. It's not going to stop us from ripping the truck. So let's go ahead and install the seats.
Let's slap those seats in here, man. I'm ready. Man, it is way too hot to work outside. We're gonna go ahead and pull the truck inside and throw these seats in.
Start with the back ones and then move our way up to the front. Hold that lever. You gotta pull both of them.
Something's up. There we go.
Woo!
Man, it's like a bed up here. Test it out for
Now we
me.
got a seat, man. Let me go ahead and hop on this side. Dang, what if we could just drive the truck like this?
Man, that's awesome. Let's go ahead and jump onto the front ones. What do you say?
Let's do it. Get them bolted down and then maybe take it down the street. Stay tuned.
I'm ready. All right, guys, check this out. We got the seat positioned. It had to take the both of us to get it in here. It's a pretty bulky seat. I'm saying tighten those up and let's take this sucker out for a rip.
Let's do it, man. I can't wait. All right, guys, so next day here and the cable S came in. So we're gonna go ahead and complete the half door. The roof lights have not came in and it's Saturday and I wanna get the video out for you guys tomorrow. So we're not gonna be able to complete the headliner. And we called the windshield guy and he's got to order the windshield, so that'll be installed in the next episode. But let's go ahead and get this cable installed and complete this door.
Let's do it, man. I'm ready to take this truck out for a spin.
So here's the new cable. Let me show you guys the old one right here. As you can see, that other side is complete, but Bubba over here had to break this cable. And the funny thing is, it didn't break when we took it off. It was when we were putting it back on, when we snapped it in, it kind of just broke off, so that's not gonna hold. So we're gonna go ahead and get our new cable installed and get this door working.
Let's do it, man.
Show them in here how the mechanism goes. This is where you got to be real careful because that's where we broke the other one off. There we go. It's working.
Already looks better than before.
Yes, sir. It's coming together. That's all I got to say.
All right, so you're wrapping up the door panel. What do you say is next?
Yeah, everything's nice and tight. I say we rip it up the street real quick, get that motor nice and hot, and maybe start changing the oil.
That's a great idea, man. Let's do it. All right, let's go. Go ahead and pull on in there.
Gonna do a little off-roading in this thing.
Watch the paint. Watch the paint, though.
Hey, we should have screwed this panel in.
Hey man, why don't you try doing a donut for the boys?
I don't know, this thing is so long and grippy. But we do have to test out the 4x4, you know?
Yeah.
How's it looking?
Oh man, it's looking nice. Looking great overall. Go ahead and send it for the boys.
Alright, I'll try to do a donut over there.
Almost, man. Too big, yeah. Yeah, too massive. Not bad for a massive truck like that. Alright, we gotta send it on out of here for the...
Yeah, let's go back to the house. We got a few things to tighten up, like figure out, you know, troubleshoot our gauges here, get that all put back together, and then put this centerpiece back in.
Let's do it, man, before the 12 comes out here.
Hey, but we got ice cold AC right here. Hey, dude, this thing sounds good. I'm gonna try to launch it right here.
Woo, you hear that turbo spooling up just fine.
Woo. Alright, you guys, so we got all the gauges working and also our train horn. Go ahead and hit it for us.
Check this out. I can't wait till somebody's getting me going too slow, man. I'm gonna hit that thing so quick.
We got all the lights working and all the gauges. Go ahead and show them that boost. Yes, sir. So we're gonna go ahead and throw all that together and pretty much wrap everything up in the interior and then start working with our front end. All right, you guys, that's a wrap for this episode. We got the truck 90% done and we took it out to the power lines to see how it performs, and it put a smile on our face. We are still waiting on a few miscellaneous parts like our roof lights so we can install the headliner. We got some new LED headlights coming in the front bumper. Stay tuned for that. With that being said, a lot of you have asked about the RX-7, so we do have some working hours left. We're gonna go ahead and pull the truck outside and get the RX-7 on the lift. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for all the love and support. If you are new to the channel, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to support your boys. Follow me on Instagram at DannyTV to get an inside sneak peek there before YouTube. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.